Cosette, and today we're talking about appraisals. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. I'm not an appraiser, but my mom is, and she's super smart. She told me all about it, and now I'm gonna tell you. So, what is an appraisal? Is it a secret magic spell? Nope. Let's find out. An appraisal is when an expert, like my mom, figures out what a house is worth. You might need one when you're buying, selling, refinancing, or even arguing with your brother about whose Lego house is cooler. Spoiler alert, it's mine. Here's how it works. The appraiser looks at the house, inside and out. They check how big it is, if it's in good shape, and even what the neighborhood is like. Then they compare it to other houses nearby to figure out the value. It's like comparing apples, but with houses. Appraisals are super important. They make sure that everyone's on the same page about the house's value. If you're buying, it helps you know you're not paying too much. If you're selling, it helps you get a fair price. And if you're a bank, you just really like knowing where your money's going. Banks are like grown-up piggy banks, but way more serious. Some people think appraisers just guess the value of the house. That's so silly. It's not a guessing game. It's all about research and facts. Appraisers don't work for the buyer or the seller. They're independent. They're like the referees of real estate. No playing favorites. Now you know all about appraisals. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving house mysteries. Whenever you need a real appraisal, you can call my mom at TruHome Appraisal. She's the real expert, not me. I'm just here for the fun stuff. Okay, I gotta go. There's a very suspicious dollhouse in the corner, and I have